Good morning. How are you? Fine. Okay, good. Shall we learn? What will we learn now? We will learn English. What are we going to learn? English. Okay. Unit 4 we will learn. What is in Unit 4? Do you know? What is there in Unit 4? Sound of I with silent E. What is Unit 4? We will learn the sound of I with silent E. Okay, let us start. Yes. See the picture. What is it? Wine. What is it? Wine. What is the spelling? Vine. Sound of I with silent E. E is silent there. Vine. Wine. Next is kite. What is this? Kite. What is the spelling of kite? Kite. Kite. Very good. Kite. Kite. What is the next picture? What is it? Slide. What is the spelling of slide? Slide. 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 What is this? This is tile. 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 These are tiles. Okay. Next one. What is this? It is a pile of plates. Pile. 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 What is this? This is line. Spelling Line. Line. So you have understood how to pronounce it. I sound with E. But E is silent. Then we will have I sound for it. Pile, line, kite, etc. Okay. Now I will show you some more words. Look here now. What is this word? Fine. How to pronounce it? Fine. Okay. Second one. What is it? Mine. Mine. Fine. Mine. Third one. Nine. Is it nine? No, it is nine. 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 And the fourth one. Pine. Pine. What is it? Pine. Fine. Mine. Nine. And pine. Next words. What are they? The first one. Dice. Dice. Next, second one. Mice. Mice. Nice. Nice. And rice. Rice. Dice. Mice. Nice. And rice. Next group of words are here. The first one is bite. 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 Second word site. Sight. Third one cite. It is also sight. Site. Sight. And cite also sight. Last one kite. That you know. What is it? Kite. Bite, sight, sight and kite. Now I'll show you some more words. What are they? Hide. Hide. This one, R-I-D-E. What is R-I-D-E? Ride. This one, S-I-D-E. Side. Very good. S-I-D-E. Side. Last one, T-I-D-E. Tide. Hide, ride, side, tide. Shall I show you some more words? Okay, they are here. What are they? B-R-I-D, bride. What is it? Bride. B-R-I-D-E, bride. Second one, S-L-I-D-E, slide. You play on slides in the school. Yes or no? Yes. What is the spelling of slide? S-L-I-D-E. Slide. Third one. What is the third one? G-U-I-D-E. Guide. What is the spelling of guide? G-U-I-D-E. Guide. And the last one, what is it? P-R-I-D-E, pride. Bride, slide, guide, pride. Shall I stop it today? Yes, you have learned I sound with silent E. What did you learn today? You learned the words in I sound. I sound in the words with silent E. E was there, but we did not pronounce it. See some examples. What are they? P-I-L-E, pile. T-I-L-E, tile. L-I-N-E, line. K-I-T, kite. V-I-N-E, wine, etc. These are the words which we learned today. Shall I stop today's class? Yes. Have you learned? Good. Learn it properly. Okay. You have to learn the spellings also. So, I'm going to wind up today. Take care of you. Bye.